Hello, Cancers. Welcome back. Welcome back to part 2 for Queen Cancer Tarot channel, everybody. We're going to get right into it. I'm not going to make y'all wait. Y'all already saw the intro in the part 1, so no need to be repetitive. I'm learning small little things as I go, Cancers. Bear with me, grow with me, learn with me, love with me. And let's flow, you guys. Let's get it rolling. Okay, so we ended it, Cancer, with Aqua, with Aquarius, and now we're moving on to Taurus, blah, blah, blah. Taurus, we are on Earth signs, okay? We are going to start with the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and then move on to the fire signs, and then we're going to do singles, career, and general, Cancer, for the closeout. And yes, I do have on a bit of a change of wardrobe, you guys. I had to take a break and I had to step away because I had an appointment, and then I am back now. So we are going to get finished with earth signs and fire signs, and this is, Cancers, what you need to know right now, what your person is up to. And so let's get it moving, okay? All right. You guys didn't really experience much of a break between part 1 and part 2, but I did. So, a little bit of a change in setting. Okay, so I'm just explaining that. All right, so I'm just giving the cards a quick shuffle again. Cancer, we are doing this a little bit different, so I can be a little bit lighter use on my hands, which are still healing. I had double hand surgery, for all of you all that don't know. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I do a giveaway every month, coming up on the 1st of the month. Each month, this month, I'm doubling up on the number of giveaways of subscribers that are going to be winning. I give away oracle cards, tarot cards, crystals, jewelry, free readings, all of that on this channel, you guys. So all you need to do is be subscribed in order to win. Click on the watermark in the bottom right corner of your screen or in the description box below in order to be subscribed. All right, let's go, Cancer. So starting with Taurus, and we're going to do water signs timestamps 222. Isn't that something? Water signs. What am I thinking about with you, Cancers? All right, so moving on. We have the Emperor. Okay. The Queen of Pentacles. Okay. And the Three of Swords. Cancer, if you are dealing with a Taurus, with the Emperor and the Queen of Pentacles, Cancer, this is an energy of somebody who perhaps you may be married to, Cancer. With the Queen of Pentacles, I also have feeling of this is somebody that you could have children with. But I feel like they're, and this could be somebody that you used to be married to, Cancer, because I do see a bit of a separation from this Taurus here with the Three of Swords. There was some loss here, like someone was hurt by something, Cancer, and I feel like this person has just not been the same since. With that Queen of Pentacles, this is like an energy of you being very compassionate and, I don't see you separating from this person, Cancer. I feel like you're there for this person in some capacity. I do feel like there is an energy of you may have children with this person, but I do feel like you do still have some sort of communication with this person, Cancer. Even though you two may not be together anymore, there could have been an energy of where the two of you were separated, but there's still something going on between you and this person. Okay, we have palm tree. Stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, and flexibility. Cancer, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is an energy of someone that you used to be in a long-term committed relationship with, Cancer. There was some separation, but I feel like the two of you, like this person is like not going anywhere. The Emperor is an energy that is someone that is very stable. They're in one place. They're not really moving. And this one definitely looks like they're not going anywhere, Cancer. Okay, they're laying their claim on the fact that they're there and they're not moving. And I don't see you turning away from this person either. You're turned towards this person here. And this Queen of Pentacles energy, or this could be your person, Cancer. And this could be you here. So, you know, there's all that for you. Take it all in, Cancers. Moving on to Virgo. 624. Okay. So we have the Four of Wands with the Eight of Cups and the Star. Ooh. Cancer. Cancer. I feel that there's an energy here of you and this person making a promise to be together forever till death do you part. Like you know, you probably got your names tattooed on each other's wrists. Like you do things together. This could be a friend. This could be someone that you're dating, Cancer. This is a love reading. Okay, take it how it resonates. But I feel like the two of you do a lot of things together. You know, you take selfies together. You ride or die. But there was a situation, Cancer, where I feel like someone wanted to go to see if they could fix it or fix their relationship elsewhere. Like there was something that they needed to find out or figure out, Cancer, whether it was about themselves or about someone else. I don't know, but there's some sort of emotion and unknown that this person is moving towards. And it's hard. They're having a hard time. It's very, very difficult and very sad. This person is really in a dark place when they leave. Okay. But with the Star here, Cancer, there's hope that they can heal something from the past, and there's hope, I feel like, that they can come back to these 8 cups that they left behind and finish where they left off when they come back. I do. I really feel like that. Do you see how, you know, this person is like pouring cups in front and behind her on the earth and, you know, in the water? I feel like there's a bit of unknown where this person is headed to, okay? And they want to see if this can be healed because, you know, this was something or someone that perhaps they made a promise to, but they had to walk away from this person. So let's just see. Let's look under this here and see what we get. Separation. Sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of the future. Like I said, complete and utter uncertainty about where this person is going, and they are not happy about leaving the person that they're walking away from, Cancer. So if you're with a Virgo, this person is walking away from you, or you're walking away from this person and neither one of you are happy about it, but there's intentions on healing things later. It's just that this person has a need to do something else. Okay. And the star is a divinely guided card here, so I feel like this is definitely a spiritual or situation, Cancer, that the divine is guiding you towards, or this person. Moving on to Capricorn at 10:32. These are getting deep, Cancers. Figured once I got all my crystal family together, it would. I located a couple of my crystals that have been in my purse, Cancer. So I have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Tower. Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and the Tower here. Okay, Cancer, if you're dealing with a Capricorn, I feel like there's an energy, Cancer, especially this is cute with this Two of Pentacles here, and this girl on the skateboard, and this kitten on the one end with the one pentacle that's like looking up, okay, standing up like, hey, mommy, you know, come pet me. And then she's like going in another direction with this other pentacle, okay, pointed in this other direction, but she's like got her brakes on. She's got the skateboard in brake mode, like stop from going back. Like this person was headed back towards the past here, Cancer, and something has kind of stopped this person in their tracks, but it's like they're still looking in the direction of the past, okay? They're looking in the direction of the past, right? And moving towards this Four of Cups energy with the Tower, Cancer. There is going to be an ending because of this person, because of the separation, or there's going to be a disconnect here, or someone is going to feel this energy of this person looking back towards the past. And it could be you, Cancer, looking back towards someone that you used to be with, and your person is like sitting here like feeling this energy intuitively, or seeing this go down, Cancer. Or this could be you watching your person looking back towards someone from their past, okay? And you, with this Four of Cups energy, you know, feeling your person being more, you know, separated, more disconnected from you, more standoffish. And with the Tower here, it's because this person is manifesting some sort of ending or some sort of change here in the connection. And I don't know if they're like making plans with someone from the past, Cancer, not really like going there, but like talking to this person, or, you know, thinking about moving in the direction, Cancer, and then like bringing about this separation. I don't know. That could be what's happening here, but that's what I'm getting. We have the Butterfly. Relationship evolving in the next phase, healing the inner child, and growth. So, you know, Cancer, it could be that this person is going back to the past to, you know, fix something with someone that they ended it with in the past. It could be. I just see this Tower more in the future position, being that there is an ending that's coming because of this person, you know, kind of going back and forth here. But this does say that the relationship is evolving, but with that butterfly means growth. So this could be someone who's going to be, you know, growing or ascending, Cancer. Yeah. The Tower, Cancer, can represent someone who has a, it's like whatever they thought about something is completely torn apart and having to be put back together again, and rebuilt, because it was just, it was not proper. It was out of code, Cancer. So when you have a building that's not up to code in all areas, you've got to rip that sucker apart and you've just got to rebuild it. You know what I mean? Because it's not going to be right. You're going to build wrong. You're going to build right on top of wrong, which is going to make a wrong. So, you know, no wrong is right in a situation. And that just sounds so clear. Like I could hear a bell ringing. Moving on, Cancer, to Aries at 1612. Let's speed this up a little. So we have the Page of Cups. We have the Sun. And we have the Queen of Wands. Cancer, if you are dealing with an Aries, I feel like, Cancer, you could be getting ready to receive an apology, or this person is coming towards you with an apology, Cancer. Because with the Sun and the Queen of Wands, Cancer, I feel like there was some sort of revelation about a third party energy. You found out about this, but this person is coming in wanting to fix things with you. So they're coming in with an offer of apology for what they've done. We have Mirror. Mirroring each other. Self-image. Relationships reflect our wounds. Introspection. Could be a twin flame. This could be an energy of relationships reflect our wounds. And the Sun is putting like this, it's putting like this light over this Queen of Wands here, over this third party here, Cancer. It's like it's drawing a reflection here. The Sun draws a reflection. You know, the fact that this mirror is right underneath the Sun here, and what happens when you put a mirror up to, what is it, a leaf, and this is, you know, a fire sign. You put this mirror up to a leaf, or, you know, or up to the Sun, Cancer, and hold the leaf underneath it. I feel like there's some sort of an effect that takes place, and it causes like a flame, like literally a flame. Like combustion will occur. It's like you can magnify the Sun's rays, apparently. Maybe like a magnifying glass, not a mirror, but maybe a mirror, or magnifying. I have to figure that out, Cancer, but I feel like that it's something to that nature. I feel like it's a mirror. Yes, I feel like it's a mirror, Cancer. So definitely an energy of someone apologizing for something, Cancer, that they did with a third party. Like they feel bad about this too, Cancer. This person was hurt. So yeah, this situation with Mirror, Cancer, could be the both of you apologizing to each other Both of you could have been dealing with third parties. I had to put that out there for somebody specific. Moving on to Sag at 1959. Let me know in the comments, Cancer, would these resonate with you or hit with you? You let me know. I like to hear about it. Ace of Swords with the Queen of Cups. There she is. And the Two of Cups. So if you are dealing with a Sag here, there is definitely someone who is coming in, Cancer, with a message that they are ready to, like, they're ready to do the right thing here with you, okay? They don't want to play around with words. They don't want to waste any time, Cancer. That Ace of Swords, they are coming in very clearly letting you know, my dear, that they are absolutely in love with you, okay? Just smitten. Queen of Cups, Two of Cups, just disgusting. Just disgusting, Cancer. And it's headed your way, okay? And a Sag near you. Whew. Oh, ouch, Cancer. We tried. We got stabbed in the back. Heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking attack. Oh my. And Cancer, this could be a situation where, you know, you are working it out with someone, okay? You could be working it out with a Sagittarius who did something to you, who stabbed you in the back, hurt you in the past. But look, Cancer, that Ace of Swords, this is somebody coming in being honest. They're coming in talking about their problems. They're wanting to fix things. Whatever was in the past, this person wants to work it out. They do. And you want to work it out too. I told you this is just disgusting here. So it is what it is. Don't let these oracle cards fool you, because you have to let it resonate with the surrounding cards and the message, Cancer, and the intuition of the reader and the resonation of the ready the ready of you, Cancer, the querent, okay? You're the one asking the question or wanting to know an answer. So it's a querent versus reader situation. I'm being goofy. Okay, so moving on to Leo. Oh, at 22:55. Let's just make it right, Cancer. Okay, let's move quickly. We have Judgment, and we have the Five of Wands. Wouldn't we have the Judgment card right there, Cancer? Strong Leo energy. And the Three of Pentacles here. Ow, that hurt, Cancer. I didn't mean to clap that hard. But listen, with the Judgment card right here, in the Five of Wands, Cancer, I couldn't do anything but clap at this point, because somebody is getting ready to, I don't know, that song that came to my head just then was "Let's Get It Started, let's get it started." You know that song? So that one. So that song is coming to my head because somebody is making an announcement that they are getting ready to whoop some you-know-whats, okay? Because with that Three of Pentacles here and the Five of Wands energy with the Judgment card, Cancer, all of this all mishmash together, like this is not a happy situation. There's some third-party energy. Somebody is in somebody's backyard. I'm seeing this woman here. I don't know where she's headed here. All these womans here in these canoes, Cancer. I don't know. Just, they're doing some things. But there's some judgment here. I don't know if there could have been multiple people. And I'm seeing multiple people. You may be finding out that this person literally had multiple people. and there's getting ready to be a situation, is all I can say. Okay. Cupid's arrow, have faith. Love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting hesitation. So Cancer, listen to what I'm telling you. And if I were you, just kind of beware for anybody inviting you, hey, I just want to meet up with you. It's just me, and I want to talk to you about, some information. I found out that somebody that I feel like we're both currently talking to, when you show up, there's like 3 other people there. Not a good look, Cancer. Not something you want to be involved in, and I just say, just be wary for that type of situation. Okay. All right. I'm so glad that messiness is done, Cancer. That is what is going down with your people, okay? So let's just see for singles, all right? Just those of you who are doing your own thing right now, you ain't bothering nobody, you're not asking for nothing. Maybe you do want a little something, but Cancer, you're not bothering nobody. But this is what's happening for you. 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands, oh my goodness, and the 6 of Pentacles. Well, somebody is definitely coming in very quickly, Cancer, trying to get you to, or get you out of your square. Do you see this 9 of Wands? This is and I said this is a singles reading here. This is the 9 of Wands. This is an energy of pre-Empress energy. This is somebody who's single, independent, doing them, staying in their square. Do you see this woman standing on squares? Literally, Cancer, I can't make it up. I can't make it up. Literally, somebody is trying to come at you, Cancer, with some sort of either vicious attack, some sort of words to hurt you, something, they're trying to say something, do something, they're trying to act in some sort of way. They're trying to pull out all the stops here, Cancer, to throw you out of your freaking square. But guess what? Guess what, Cancer? With the 6 of Pentacles and also with that 9 of Wands, Cancer, 9 of Pentacles is pre-Empress energy. I'm sorry, Cancer. Don't let me get you all messed up here. But 9 of Wands is the energy of somebody who's not movable. You can't move this person. You can't shake them. This person is resisting any attempts to be pushed, any attempts to be, thrown out of their square, Cancer. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry I said that with the 9 of Pentacles here. I just saw that 9 and I got excited. But it is. We are talking about a singles reading, and here's the 6 of Pentacles here, in case we were confused. Okay? But this is an energy of, someone who is, doing well, Cancer, able to, give to others, to bless other people. They're not hurting for anybody. They're not needing anything. So I feel like, Cancer, there's an energy of somebody who's trying to knock you off your square. They're not happy that, that you're doing well and you're on your own. And that's the situation. Jealousy. So we have the Dragonfly. Be lighthearted. Finding out. Things coming to light. Adapt, change, and heal. So, Cancer, I feel like there's definitely an energy when this person comes and does this, perhaps maybe you're going to offer this person, some sort of, hospitality, you know what I mean? You may be nice to this person. I feel like you're going to be generous and, treat this person in a way that they don't really deserve, Cancer, because they didn't treat you this way. I feel like they're not giving you the benefit of the doubt when they're coming in with this attack and trying to literally just kind of push you out of your comfort zone. Okay, moving on to career at 2942. I don't even know that I got the timestamp for singles. I'll get it later. Okay, so we have the King of Wands. Cancer, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Ten of Wands. So Cancer, listen, okay? If there is an energy of someone who has been, or if there's an energy of you not being able to break into that position that you want to be in, or to start that business that you're looking to start, things are about to change for you. And the reason why, Cancer, with this Ten of Wands here, like, you literally have earned and paid your dues. Period, point blank. This talks about a duty, and I feel like it's a duty that has been paid, Cancer. With the Wheel of Fortune and the King of Wands here, I feel like it's definitely an energy of this being your time, things coming to a change here. This King of Wands is no longer sitting in the past looking up in a daze like, when am I ever going to be the boss that I want to be for myself? When is that ever going to happen? Woe is me. I feel like that's what this King of Wands energy is giving me here. A little bit of woe is me energy in the past, but things are definitely changing. But it's been because of all the hard work that you have already put in, Cancer. You're right there at the house. You've arrived. You have arrived. Let's see what we got here to clarify. Healthy choices. All right, making healthy choices in love and in life. Self-love, self-care, being happier. What did I tell you? So, like I said, this is an energy of this person is just kind of like, you know, woe is me. But I feel like things are definitely going to be changing here with this Wheel of Fortune. And these people are working out. They are literally exercising here. I'm not kidding. They're doing push-ups and knee touches and, you know, yoga poses and all kinds of things here because they are making healthier choices with their thinking, Cancer. No, it's stressful. We know it's been hard. We know it's been rough. But that blessing is coming. That new career, that promotion, everything you've been looking for, you stepping out on your own, it's getting ready to happen. Moving towards general reading, 3225, sorry. This is general for Cancers. Very, very general. Strength card here. Ace of Cups. And the Knight of Wands. Cancer, you are holding your love back. With this Knight of Wands energy sitting here, it's like you're holding something back. And I don't know if it's love, Cancer. I feel like definitely there's an energy of some sort of friendship or relationship, Cancer, that someone has been wanting to have with you and you've been keeping from this. With that Knight of Wands, Cancer, I feel like this is somebody that, you know, you may have had a difficult time with in the past. And for whatever reason, you're really wanting to see where this person is coming from. You're wanting to take your time. I'm seeing infinity over this person's head here in the Strength card. You know, there's just an energy of wanting to, you know, kind of take your time and be patient because we got forever here. If you're talking about, you know, the kind of love that comes with the Ace of Cups. So, you know, perhaps there's a bit of wanting to, you know, pull back, refrain from moving too quickly or doing too much until you know that this person is legit. Okay, engagement ring. See what I mean? Like this person is coming in proposing, Cancer, and there is an energy of like, hold up, wait a whole minute here. Do you know what I mean? Like, wait a second. Engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity. What did I tell you about that infinity sign, Cancer? Eternity. I broke a nail, you guys. Completion and union. What did I say? Parquet. I'm trying to tell you, Cancers. Can't make this stuff up. I love you guys so much. I hope this reading resonates with one more or all of you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking the time. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for healing with me, Cancer, as I'm going through my healing process. It's been very humbling, but it's been a very beautiful process as well. And I'm being shown to slow down and to appreciate the things that are around me. So that's one of the messages that I feel I need to channel to you, because it's one that is internalizing within myself. I love you so much. Take care of you guys. Take care of each other. Till next time. Bye.